So, long story short, to reset any service inspection, you have to do a few steps, and I can show you how to do that. I have Seat Leon 2018. So, switch on ignition, the first step, and then you have to be on the range function. Set here on the menu the range function. You have to be on the range function, and then using the right scroll, press and keep on the range. And after a few seconds, you enter the service menu, and here you can see what you can reset. The oil change service, the reset inspection, trip, service, and of course you can see the engine code. To reset inspection, just press the right scroll again, and you have question to do that. Click yes, and the service was reset. Right now I don't have any service inspections because I just reset a couple days ago, but it's very easy. So I just show you how to do that. And that's all.